Welcome back to LionHeart English, the best place for learning English with a smile.
Hello, everyone. We are so happy you're here.
I'm Ruby. Nice to meet you.
And I'm Mark, your guide to better English.
Today's topic is all about getting active.
Getting active? That sounds like hard work.
Mark, you need to get in shape.
Get in shape? You mean become more fit?
Exactly. You need to stay fit.
I am fit. I can lift my remote control easily.
That's not real fitness, Mark.
What is my motivation to start exercising?
Motivation is your reason for doing something.
My reason is usually an amazing slice of pizza.
No, your motivation should be your health.
I need to set a fitness goal.
A fitness goal is what you want to achieve.
My goal is to run away from my desk quickly.
A better goal is to run on the treadmill.
A treadmill? That is the machine you run on?
Yes, now you need a workout routine.
A workout routine is a plan of exercises.
Start small. What is your first step?
My first step is buying new running shoes.
That's a good start, but you must actually use them.
After buying the shoes, what's the next step, Ruby?
You need to decide, cardio or strength training.
What is the difference between them?
Cardio is for your heart and lungs. It is fast exercise.
Like running or jumping?
Yes, running is the best cardio exercise.
I hate running. It makes me sweaty and tired.
That means it's working. It is good for your endurance.
Endurance is how long you can keep going.
Precisely. Now, strength training is different.
Is that where you look like a bodybuilder?
Not necessarily. It uses weights to build muscle mass.
Muscle mass? You mean bigger muscles?
Yes, it makes your muscles stronger and bigger.
So I should lift weights to get stronger.
Yes, lift weights, but start with light ones.
I will start with the biggest dumbbell in the gym.
No, Mark, you will get an injury.
An injury? Like I hurt myself badly?
Yes, you must always start with a warm-up.
A warm-up is stretching before the workout, right?
It prepares your body. It is very important.
I think I prefer cardio. It is less complicated.
You should do both. They work together.
Can I just dance? Is dancing cardio?
Yes, dancing is fun cardio. That is a great idea.
I will be the best dancer at the gym. I am going to the gym today. I feel nervous.
The gym is just a big room with equipment.
What if I don't know how to use the machines?
Just ask. Most people in the gym are friendly.
I saw a big barbell yesterday. It looked heavy.
A barbell is a long bar for heavy lifting.
I will start with the small dumbbells.
That's smart. Dumbbells are the small weights you hold.
I need a good workout routine.
Remember to start with a warm-up. Don't forget.
I will walk on the treadmill slowly first.
That's a perfect warm-up. Get the blood moving.
And then I will go to the weight room.
Don't forget to put your weights away afterwards.
Why? Are the gym police watching me?
It is good gym etiquette. Be polite to others.
Etiquette? Like good manners?
Yes, also, don't just stand there on your phone.
I need to take a selfie to show my motivation.
A selfie is fine, but don't spend the whole time posing.
I need to look good when I'm lifting weights.
Focus on your form first.
My form? You mean my technique for the exercise?
Exactly. Good form prevents an injury.
So, no looking in the mirror, just focus on the barbell.
That's the right idea. And remember the cool down.
What is the cool down?
Cool down is slow stretching after your workout.
It is important for my sore muscles, right?
It helps them recover faster. Don't skip it. Mark, you are going to the gym today.
Yes, I'm excited and a little scared.
Scared of what? The big barbell?
Scared of tomorrow. I think I will have sore muscles.
You definitely will. Sore muscles mean the workout worked.
Will I be able to walk after the treadmill?
Just try not to push yourself too hard on day 1.
Push myself means work extremely hard, right?
Yes. Don't listen to the phrase, no pain, no gain.
No pain, no gain is about suffering to get better.
Only a little pain is okay. Too much is an injury.
I don't want an injury. That sounds like sharp pain.
You must watch out for a cramp, too.
A cramp is a sudden, tight pain in the leg.
Yes. If you feel a cramp, stop and stretch.
And if I am not careful, I might pull a muscle.
Pull a muscle is a tear in the muscle. That needs rest.
So I need to focus on my form with the dumbbells.
Good form is the best way to prevent an injury.
And tomorrow, when my muscles are sore,
You will need to cool down tonight and rest.
I will use the cool down routine. I promise.
Good boy, Mark. Recovery is the most important part.
I am still scared of the gym. It feels too much.
You don't always need a gym to stay fit.
Really? Is there an easier way?
Yes, you can focus on daily activity.
Daily activity? Like going to the kitchen?
Better than that. Take the stairs, not the elevator.
Take the stairs every day? That is cardio.
It is. It is small exercise that adds up.
What else can I do that is easy?
Go for a brisk walk during your lunch break.
A brisk walk? Is that a fast walk?
Yes, a fast walk. You want to get your heart rate up.
So no looking at my phone during the walk.
Perfect. That is combining fitness with slow living.
I can try that. I can get some steps in.
Get some steps in is a great phrase for walking.
I need a step counter for my phone.
Yes, track your steps. Try to reach 10,000.
10,000 steps? That is like a marathon.
No, it's just moving more throughout the day.
What else can I do that is easy?
Do some simple stretches during your coffee break.
Stretches? Or stand on one leg? I might fall over.
It improves your balance and makes people laugh.
So I can be funny and fit at the same time.
That's the LionHeart English way.
What if I clean the house? Is that exercise?
Yes, cleaning is great cardio, especially vacuuming.
Vacuuming is a serious workout.
So you can turn chores into fitness.
This is great. I don't need the big barbell.
The important thing is consistency.
Consistency means doing it regularly, not just once.
Yes, do a little every day. That's the secret.
So stairs, brisk walks, and clean my apartment.
Now you have a fun workout routine.
But is it enough to get in shape?
It is enough to stay fit and improve your health.
I saw my neighbor doing yoga. Is that fitness?
Yes, yoga is great for flexibility and reducing stress.
I am not flexible. I am very stiff.
Then you need yoga more than anyone, Mark.
I think I would just fall over.
Try a simple stretch before bed, just 10 minutes.
Stretching before bed sounds very relaxing.
It is. It prepares your body for sleep.
So a daily stretch can help me recover faster.
Absolutely. It is part of the cool down for the day.
I will try it tonight. I will be a sleepy yogi.
And remember to drink water when you're active.
Yes, hydration is important for the muscle mass.
Smart. You are connecting all the pieces.
I will start small. I will go for a jog tomorrow.
A jog is a slow, steady run. Perfect.
I will run like a slow, red-shoed turtle.
Just remember to have fun.
I will. I am ready to feel the burn.
Feel the burn means your muscles are working hard.
I hope I feel the burn only in my legs.
You should. Now you have a whole plan. Mark, I think you are ready to be a fitness instructor.
Not yet, but I know how to talk the talk now.
Let's quickly review the important words.
We learned about cardio for the heart.
And strength training to build muscle mass.
And to start slow with a warm-up and cool down.
And to prevent an injury by using good form.
I will take the stairs and get some steps in today.
That's the spirit. It's all about consistency.
I will remember to drink water and stretch.
So, the goal is to stay fit and healthy.
Now, we have a question for all our listeners.
Yes, we want to know your favorite daily activity.
What is the easiest way you get some steps in?
Tell us in the comments. Do you like to go for a jog?
Or do you prefer dancing in your kitchen? Let us know.
We love reading all your responses.
Thank you for joining us today on LionHeart English.
We hope you feel the burn in a good way.
Bye for now. Keep pushing yourself.
See you next time.